Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Google Play developer account for Android publishing, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Google Play console website. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. Sign in with your existing Google account or create a new one if necessary. Agree to the Google Play Developer Distribution Agreement. Complete the registration form with your developer name. Provide a valid email address for communication. Enter your payment details to pay the registration fee. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Click on Continue to proceed with your application. Verify your identity if prompted by Google. Once your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Log into the Google Play console with your developer account. Complete your account details in the Play console dashboard. Set up your Google Play developer profile and provide a developer website if available. You now have access to create and publish apps on the Google Play Store. Familiarize yourself with the Google Play developer policies. Prepare your app for submission by following the required guidelines. Upload your app's APK or app bundle file to the platform. Fill in the necessary details such as app title, description, and screenshots. Set the pricing and distribution options for your app. Review your app's information carefully before submitting it for review. Click the Publish button to submit your app to the Google Play Store. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.